आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, हिंदी की एक प्रसिद्ध कविता की कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ मैं अपने वक्तव्य की उपस्थापना करना चाहती हूँ। कोहिनूर का जनक हूँ मैं, लोकतंत्र की चमक हूँ मैं, देवभूमि का दर्शन हूँ, अर्पण और समर्पण हूँ मैं, हर धर्म का मैं प्रतिपादक हूँ, मैं प्रथम ग्रंथ संपादक हूँ, आयुर्वेद का चरक हूँ मैं, माँ शकुंतला का भरत हूँ मैं चक्र सुदर्शन धारक हूँ, मैं ही तो भारत हूँ, मैं ही तो भारत हूँ। Article 1 of the Constitution of India says, India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Bharat, the name is full of sacred remembrances. Once we hear this name, once we pronounce this name, images and pictures of ancient glory, ancient tradition, and ancient culture come to our mind. Vedas, Upanishads, and Brahmanas have mentioned Bharat. Hyun Song, the Chinese traveler who came to India during the reign of King Harshvardhan, mentioned Bharat. Vishnu Puran and Brahma Puran mention Bharat. And we fought the battle against the Britishers under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi with one slogan, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. And that slogan continues till date. The Constitution of India rightfully starts with Bharat, drawing upon the rich heritage and history of this glorious and great land of ours. Honorable Speaker, sir, it is with immense pride that I stand before you today to talk about our Constitution. It's a testament to our nation's collective vision, ideals, and dreams. It is definitely not a static document. It is not a legal framework which is static by nature. It's a living document, the very soul of our democracy, encapsulating the aspirations of a free and diverse nation. Our Constitution, which I love to call our lighthouse, a beacon of stormy waters, is the outcome of tremendous effort of the leaders who were members of the Constituent Assembly, chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, whose name I take with a deep sense of reverence. It was the product of meticulous effort. Lot of work has gone into it, and the work spread over 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. The process began on December 9, 1946, and the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution, as we know, on November 26, 1949. I bow down before all the framers of the Constitution. संविधान निर्माताओं के समक्ष हम सब आज नतमस्तक हैं. My esteemed colleagues have been talking about different features of the Indian Constitution. Please allow me to take you to a different arena altogether as far as our Constitution is concerned. It's a document which has guided the world's largest democracy of the world for full 75 years. My dear friends, there is a general conception, general feeling, general perception that it's a modern creation. That it's a product of the struggles and aspirations of 20th century. Nothing can be far from the truth. It is definitely not so very modern. Friends, the Indian Constitution is embedded into the ancient glory, the tradition, and the culture of our land. And that is why we are so very proud of our Constitution. There are so many things to talk about our Constitution. Due to paucity of time, it doesn't seem possible to talk. We will definitely continue to discuss. However,